In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook social account with Zoho CRM. This integration is a valuable tool for those looking to streamline their social media interactions directly within their CRM system. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your Facebook engagements more effectively and have a cohesive view of your customer interactions right alongside your CRM data. First, let's begin by heading over to Zoho Social. Open your web browser and type in zoho.com social. This is where the journey begins. Zoho Social is the hub for integrating your social media accounts with Zoho CRM, and it offers a variety of tools to make your social media management much more manageable and insightful. Now, once you're on the Zoho Social page, you'll see an option that says Access Zoho Social. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can start connecting your accounts. The next step is to connect your Facebook account. On the Zoho Social dashboard, you'll find a button labeled Connect Facebook. Click on it and this will prompt you to start the integration process. Connecting your Facebook account will allow Zoho CRM to pull data from your social media profiles and pages, enabling you to track interactions and analyze engagement directly within the CRM platform. Now, a Facebook login screen should appear. Here, enter your Facebook email or phone number associated with your Facebook account. It's essential to ensure you're entering the correct credentials, as this step allows Zoho to access your social media data. After entering your email or phone, it's time to type in your Facebook password. Your password is crucial for the validation process, as it confirms that the connection to your Facebook account is secure and legitimate. After you've entered both your email and password, look for the Login button. Click on it to submit your credentials and establish the connection. Once the login process is successful, Zoho will attempt to access your Facebook account, helping you manage your pages and interactions directly from Zoho CRM. And there you have it. You have successfully connected your Facebook social account to Zoho CRM. With this integration, you're now equipped to handle customer interactions seamlessly, viewing them alongside other vital CRM data. This process not only saves you time, but enhances your ability to deliver timely and informed responses to your social media audience. So, take a moment to explore the various functionalities now accessible to you and enjoy the streamlined capabilities.